Hi, my name is Mariah, and this is Mariah M Design. Today I'm going to be sharing my earnings from January 2021 on Redbubble. That's exciting. I have two Redbubble accounts, so I'm going to be going through them one at a time, just going through my dashboard and my analytics. So we will start off with Mariah M Design, which is my first one. This one has my artsier stuff. I'll show you in a second. But starting off, I have 23 followers, 838 favorites, and I've sold 52 products. Going in here, we want to change to the last 30 days. So in the last 30 days, I've made around $70. First day was January 7th. I made $13, which I can see what I sold. $13 again, January 16th. $18, January 21st. $13, January 27th. And then $13, January 31st. So I made 5 sales, but each one was at least $13. So that's pretty high on Redbubble. And I'll show you, I've sold a lot of tapestries. These are my shares for the month from now until February 3rd, which is the day I'm filming this. 197 viewers. Let's go into my sales history. So we're not counting the one I sold 2 days ago, which is To Be Paid. That was a tapestry. Oh, someone canceled it? No. Okay, so someone had bought a tapestry and then they canceled it, which is pretty sad. So let's see. On January 4th, someone bought a tapestry from me, and I believe my tapestry margins are at least $13. And then this is another so basically only been selling tapestries. And then one person bought a sticker in December. Okay, so I sell tapestries on this one. And then we will go into my other Redbubble accounts. Just quickly log in. On this one, I sell a lot of fan art and merch. And like I said in a previous video, I am considering closing this one down and not selling most of the stuff on it anymore because of copyright reasons. And I don't want my account to get shut down. But I really want to hit 300 sales first. I'm so close. I have 296 sales right now. So 4 more sales and then I'll take my best-selling designs off of here. I already took about half of them off of here and they've been updated to show that. But as you can see, I sell a lot of TV, movies, music, Netflix stuff, Spotify codes. This stuff was generally more searchable than the other ones, so it shows up a lot more and people can easily find it. This one, I have 7 followers, 808 favorites received, and I've sold 296 products. And let's go into my dashboard. I've already had a video for the 12 months, so last 30 days, okay, so I've made $46, which is less than the other one. But let's see what type of products I sold and how much they were. I made $3.87 first week of January, and then $1.31, probably a sticker, $9.55, $7.73, $1.66, $8.29, $2.41, $3.71, and $7. So let's see which ones were 7 to 9. I'm pretty sure I'm not selling half of these anymore, which is really sad. I'm gonna start selling my own products. Actually, be legitimate. I'll do it. quite a few more shares on this one this month, and they're more varied than the other one as well. Most of them come from Redbubble themselves, either organically through searching or probably Redbubble promoting them. And payment history. I just want to see, this is different. I just wanted to see the one for this month. This shows quite a few more sales. I'm wondering if some of them got canceled. I should have been looking at sales history instead. So let's see. These two are pending. Someone purchased a spiral notebook from me. That's different. And that one hasn't been paid, but they ordered that on the 29th. And then another one that's pending was a mug that was purchased on the 28th. Someone purchased a photographic print. Oh, that's so cool. And a t-shirt. I have a sticker that was probably the $1 one. A mug, which I believe I make anywhere between $7 and $9 for mugs. Sticker. Ooh, someone. Scotland. Cool. Someone bought a mask. That's really cool. T-shirt, sticker. Someone bought coasters. If you haven't, set random things, products, enable all of them, because sometimes you'll get people who buy coasters and photographic prints and mugs. Mugs are the best selling thing in my shop right now. Stickers. Oh, yeah. Mug, t-shirt, mask. So it's a variety of things. And that is what I have. Thank you for watching